Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to draft a basic sleeve pattern. So right now, this is what we'll be needing. Our armhole sleeve length could be short, 3/4 or even long. So in this pattern video, I'll be infusing all the three measurements together, which is basically a long sleeve. So guys, this is the tutorial video. Right now, this is the paper and this is the starting line with which I'll be drawing my pattern. So after getting my starting line, the next thing I'll be doing is to mark my armhole circumference divided by 2. So please make sure to use your own desired measurement. So I've marked my armhole measurement and now I'll be getting the biceps, which is 4 inches. So after coming down by 4 inches, I will have to connect it with a straight line with my rule, as you can see on the video. So the next thing I'll be doing right now guys is to measure for the length of the sleeves. I'll be getting the short sleeve, the 3/4 and then the length. I am using the length of 25 inches. As you can see, I'm marking my full length of 25 inches. Please make sure to use your own measurement. It could be 23, it could be 24, it could even be 22 for some people, depending on what you have. So after getting the full length measurement, I will also mark for the short length. And right now, at the point I marked 4 inches, which is the biceps, I'll connect it to the middle area, that's the folded area. So the next thing I'll be doing is to get the midpoint of my slanted line. As you can see, I'll get the midpoint just the way you are seeing on the video. So guys, after getting my midpoint, please also make sure to use your desired measurement while drafting your own pattern for the sleeve. So guys, after getting the midpoint of this slanted line, just watch closely and see how I'll be placing my curve rule to get my S curve shape. So this is how I'll be placing it, and then I will also place it the other way around. As you can see, please make sure to follow this method and this way of placing my curve rule guys. So after getting it, so right now, the next thing I'll be doing is to get the length of the short sleeve and then the 3/4 sleeve. The purpose of me doing this is for me to show you how to draw out the full length of a long sleeve. So the short sleeve is 9 inches, as you can see, and then the 3/4 inch length is actually like 15 inches or 16 is what I'll use. So guys, it's just to see how you can easily get or draw out the pattern for a basic long sleeve. That is the purpose of using the full length. So after marking it, the next thing I'll be doing right now is to put in the circumference of the short sleeve. And the circumference of the short sleeve, I measured my biceps, so I will make sure to divide it by 2. And then before then, I made sure to measure out this armhole area to know if it corresponds with the circumference of my armhole. So if it does not, or if it is higher than what you got, just make sure you mark it at exactly what you're supposed to get. So this is how I'll be placing my armhole cuff to get the short sleeve. That is if you are making for the short sleeve or even long sleeve. This is how you place your armhole. You see what I am doing right now? After placing it like this, then I'll use the straight curve rule to further connect the other points together to get my full long sleeve pattern, as you can see on the video. This is very easy, guys, so easy. It is not difficult, nothing much, not something so serious. As you can see how I use my curve rule in drawing out from the armhole area to the biceps area, and then I further went ahead to highlight it inside. So you see, very easy, guys, very easy. Drafting a basic sleeve is one of the simplest things you can actually do in the course of drawing patterns. So guys, this is just basically it. Then after this, you can go ahead to label. You can also go ahead to add your sewing allowance on the pattern paper before actually cutting it out. For most people, they would rather add their sewing allowances on the pattern paper before cutting it out, and then for some people they will do that on their fabric. So this is the short sleeve length, this is the 3/4, and this is the long sleeve. As you can see on the video, it's so simple, it's so clean, there's nothing serious about it, just as you are seeing it here on the video, guys. So this is just it, guys, this is just it. And if this is also your first time of coming here on this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. And if you are a returning subscribers, guys, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. I'll be dropping more interesting tutorial videos for you. Thank you so much. God bless you for stopping by. So this is the 3/4 sleeve, and then I'll also mark the long sleeve length. So guys, thank you so much. And this sleeve is actually going to have a flare sleeve. I am done with this tutorial already, but I have to cut out the area that I'll be using for the length of my peplum. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is just to show you how to draw a sleeve pattern, a basic sleeve pattern. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Please do well to subscribe and have a beautiful day ahead. Bye.